Hey guys, I'm Ashutosh Dikshit, a second year undergraduate at IIT Roorkee. I will be a physics faculty at ETDCS. I scored a 99.9 percentile in physics JEE Mains 2K19.
Hi guys, this is Atul Mehta pursuing BTech at IIT Dhanbad. I'll be your physics faculty at ETDCS. I'll try every bit to make physics a scoring and interesting subject for you.
Hello friends, I am Indradil Nathu, currently pursuing BTech from IIT BHU. I will be your chemistry faculty at ETDCS.
I am Piyush Goyal. I am currently a BTech third year student pursuing my BTech in the field of computer science and engineering from IIT Mandi. I am your mathematics faculty at ETDCS. I hope that I would be able to resolve all your queries and help you in accomplishing the mission of entering in one of the most prestigious institute for engineering.
Hello everyone, I am Chetan Chinjolkar from IIT Guwahati and I am an ETDCS expert faculty. My expertise include algebra, coordinate geometry and calculus in mathematics and kinematics and electrostats in physics. Stay tuned with ETDCS.
Hello students, my name is Swastik Singhal and I'm a final year student at IIT Kanpur. I'll be your physics faculty at ETDCS and I'll try my best to clear your concepts and make physics a fun subject for you. One small tip from my side would be to always go through the derivations of formulas. That will really help you a lot in solving the complex problems in physics.
Hello everyone, I am Nimit Agarwal from IIT Gandhinagar and I am an ETDCS expert faculty. My expertise include chemical equilibrium in chemistry, kinematics in physics, and algebra, trigonometric equations, and calculus in mathematics. Stay tuned with ETDCS.
Hello everyone, I am Praveen Bhattacharya, a 2021 graduate from IIT Bhilai in Computer Science and Engineering.
I am Rajan Kumar Sharma, doing BTech from IIT Palakkad. I am expert faculty with ETDCS. My expertise include straight line, circle, trigonometry and calculus in mathematics. Stay tuned with ETDCS.
Hey guys, myself Pulkit Pandey. I am currently in IIT Bombay. I am here as an chemistry expertise faculty in ETDCS.
Hello friends, myself Abhijit Singh, doing BTech from IIT Patna. I will be your chemistry faculty at ETDCS. For more updates, stay tuned with ETDCS.
Hello everyone, myself Ayush Mishra. I'm from IIT Kharagpur and I'm an expert faculty at ETDCS. My expertise includes the following things. In chemistry, I'll help you out with physical chemistry. In mathematics, we'll deal with basics of algebra, PNC and coordinate geometry. And in physics, I'll help you out with mechanics, electricity and magnetism. So stay tuned to ETDCS.
Hello everyone, I'm Rajkant. I graduated from IIT Tirupati and I will be a mathematics faculty at ETDCS. And see you soon.
Hello, I'm Aman and I'm currently pursuing my BTech from BITS Pilani. I'm a fresher and I'll be your physics faculty at ETDCS.
Hello everyone, I am Jailalita, PhD scholar at IIT Jodhpur. I have qualified IIT JAM and GATE exams. I will be your physics faculty at ETDCS.
Hello everyone, my name is Gurnoor Singh. I am a final year student at IIT Ropar. I have cracked JEE Mains as well as JEE Advanced with 99.6 percentile. I will be teaching you physics here.
I am Devendra Kumar, a PhD scholar in the Department of Chemistry at IIT Bhilai. I had qualified IIT JAM in 2016 and I will be an ETDCS expert faculty for chemistry subject.
Hi, I am Shiva Malik. I have done my masters from IIT Delhi and currently I am doing PhD from IIT Jodhpur. So I have secured 183 All India rank in IIT JAM exam and I have qualified GATE exam and CSIR NET exam as well. I will be a ETDCS faculty for chemistry subject here, especially for IIT JEE and NEET exam.
Hey everyone, I'm Nandika Girish. I'm an undergraduate student pursuing civil engineering at IIT Patna. I have cleared IIT JEE Advanced and AIIMS, so I'll be a biology faculty.
Hi everyone, I am Anandalakshmi. I am a second year student at IIT Madras. My JEE Advanced rank was 3086. I'll be your expert faculty at ETDCS.
Hey guys, I'm Amal Buddhi Raja, a first year undergraduate at IIT Bhilai. I will be your mathematics faculty at ETDCS. I scored 99.9 percentile in JEE Mains 2K20. I will try my best to make mathematics the most easiest and the most scoring subject for you guys.